Hello student, today we will continue exercise 10.4 question number 1. Number 7. Now what we were doing last time, you will remember? You remember? Yes, we were doing division, okay? We were doing division of decimal numbers. So we will continue today also here the same thing, okay? So here first of all we are having 5.877. It should be divided by 29. So how we are going to divide? So first of all we will see here in 29 table 5 comes no. So we have to take 2 digit here, but here between decimal is there. So what we should do? We should put 1 0 first and then we have to put decimal. Okay. Now we can take 58 together. Now in 29 table 58 comes. So yes, 29 2s are 58. I'll subtract, I'll get the zeros, okay? Then I will put 8 down. Now here 8 alone, 29 table 8 comes. So no, it is not coming. So what we should do here, 7 also we will take down. Now here again we have taken 2 numbers together. So what we should do, we should put 0, okay? Now in 29 table, 87 comes. So yes, 29 3s are 87. So I'll do subtraction, I will get 0, 0. So what is the answer? Answer is 0.203. Now we will go to number 8. Now for doing number 8, we are having this question that 109.2 should be divided by 84. Now here already 3 digits is given, 109. So in 84 table 109 comes. So no, it is not coming. So what we will take? 84 ones are 84. I have to subtract this. So 9 minus 4 will give me 5. But 0 minus 8 not possible. So we will take 10 minus 8 will give me 2. Okay. So it is 25 happened. Now I will take this 8 2 down. Because in 84 25 is not coming. So after decimal number I have taken with me. So I have to put 1 decimal. Now 84 3s are 252. I will do subtraction here. Now what will come my answer? So the answer is 1.3. Okay. Now we will go to 9 number. The question is 7.868 should be divided by 14. Okay. Now here in 14 table 7 is not coming. So we have to take 2 numbers together. So before that this number is after decimal point there. So we have to take 0 and we have to put 1 decimal point. Okay. Now 14. In 14 table 14 5s are 70 is coming. So we'll take 70. 8 minus 0 will be 8. 7 minus 7 will give me 0. Now I'll take this 6 down. Now 86 happened. Now in 14 table 86 comes. No, 84 is coming. So 14 6 are 84. What is left with me? So 2 is left with me. Now here one more 8 is left. So I will take out here. I'll take it down. Now again 14 2s are 28. So I'll get 0 0. This procedure you have to do till that you are not getting 0 0 as a remainder. Okay. So answer is 0.562. Now we will do number 10. 8.7 should be divided by 4. So what we should do first of all here. In 4 table 8 comes, yes. 4 2s are 8. So I'll take it and here 0 will come. Now I have to take this 7 down. Now here 7 is not coming in 4 table. So what should I do? I will take 1 only. So here first I'll put decimal. 4 1s are 4. What is left now? 7 minus 4 give me 3. Okay. Now here 3 is a remainder. So what we should do? We have to put 0. But you know in simple division when we put 0, what we were doing? We were keeping 1 decimal point. But here already 1 decimal is there. So no need to put it again. Okay. So 4 7s are here. 4 7s are 28. Now what is left here now? Here 2 is left. So again I will put 0. And then I will write down 4 5s are 20. Now I got the answer 0 0. Okay. So that is why till that you have to continue. So the final answer is 2.175. Okay. Now we will do number 11. Now here the sum is 122.6 should be divided by 8. Now what we will do, we will take the first digit. Now in 8 table 1 is not coming, so we will take 2 digit. Now in 8 table 12 is coming, yes. How it comes? No, it will not come. So what we should do, we should take the smaller number. So 8 ones are 8. Okay. Now I will do subtraction. So I will get 4 answer. Now this 2 I will carry down. Now 42 is coming in 8 table, no. So I should take 4 5s are 8 5s are 40. Now here I will do minus. So what I will get? 2. Now here this 6 I should carry down. But this 6 is after decimal point. So here also I have to put one decimal point. Now in 8 table 26 is coming. No. So 8 3s are 24 I will take. Okay. So what is left with me? 2. Now 2 is remaining. So what we should do? We should put 1 0. But here any decimal will not come. Okay. Now in 8 table 20 is not coming. So we will take 16. 8 2s are 16. Now 4 is left. One more 0 I will put. And 8 5s are 40. So here 0 0. Okay. Now what is my answer? So my answer is 15.325. Okay. Like this way sum we have to solve. Now the next number is 12 number. 262.85 should be divided by 35. Now here 35 table we need to learn. Okay. Now we will take first 2. So in 35 table 2 is not coming. Now we will take 26. So in 35 table 26 also not coming. So we have to take all 3 digits together. Now in 35 table 262 is coming. No. So we have to take less than that. So 35 sevens are 245. Now we have to do subtraction here. Here it will come 12. Here it will come 5. So 12 minus 5 will give me 7. Here 1. Here 0. Now I have to take 8 down because 17 will not come in 35 table. Now here 8 is there after decimal. So here I have to put one decimal point. Now 35 5s are, it will be 175. 8 minus 5 will give me 3, 0, 0. Okay. Now here 5 is left. So I will take this 5 down. Now in 35 table 35 is coming. Yes. 35 ones are 35. So I will do minus, then I will get 0, 0. So what is my final answer? So answer is 7.51. Thank you.